The house is a heritage home in Canterbury. It's in a pocket of really lovely English cottage style dwellings.
The brief was actually quite simple. They were happy with the existing bedrooms, they were happy with the existing living room and dining room, but the kitchen, the size and the layout
And the relationship to the rest of the house
did not work. And they keep emphasizing that they really want to be able to just get to the backyard, be able to see it, be able to just get out. By going down, you're better connected with the backyard. So that idea of actually stepping down inside, creating a split level, we thought that would be a good strategy here. By lowering your eye level, you immediately, even though you're not outside, you immediately connect better with the backyard.
And I think it addressed a few of the issues of this site, not just the topography, but the heritage factor, because we really couldn't be visible from the street. And we knew that the footprint of the extension had to be reasonably modest. We thought that there would be a second level or a mezzanine of some description to accommodate the brief. Stepping the main level down gave us the opportunity to do that semi-upstairs component. The materiality in general is quite surface and planar. The original house had timber floorboards.
It was important to kind of
draw that through. The beauty of timber is that it can wrap up on different surfaces and be a floor and be a bench and be a table, and as the sort of multifunctional brief of this house started to evolve, it made a lot of sense to use a material that can be very multifunctional. The exterior is quite robust. The original home, masonry and brick, sort of rough cast render, quite heavy in its materiality but light in its feeling. So the extension we wanted to be quite strong, to sit next to that established
so
typology.
Used the similar material but kind of expressed it slightly different.
More contemporary use. The brick that John loved at the very beginning found its way back in the sills for the new window openings.
We have to count how many we could salvage.
That's right.
And see how many window sills we could recreate.
We could pick and choose which windows got the special treatment.
And then also there was a big bluestone piece. A
windowsill.
That was lying around. The landscape designer found a good use for it as an outdoor seat bench.
This home has two kitchens. The rear kitchen is 2 or 3 steps down to sit with the lay of the land and to allow us to have a mezzanine study above it. So with this kitchen there's a pass-through. The beauty of the level difference means that the bench level of the rear kitchen passes through to a cupboard in the front. The client now spends a lot more time doing his artwork, painting mostly, and that aspects of the home and of the garden, of the project overall, are finding not only just inspiring him to do more work and to want to have creative output. In his words, he said that this space motivates him. He feels like there's more in him that he wants to express.
Because the table gets cut off.